What is loss of use on a home insurance policy? Loss of use, also called additional living expense, pays the necessary increase in living expenses required to maintain your family's current standard of living while your house is being repaired due to a covered loss. Examples of loss of use would be the cost of hotels or temporary apartments, food bills in excess of your normal grocery or restaurant bills, cooking supplies, and the cost of moving property into storage. On most policies, loss of use will be limited to 10 to 20% of the dwelling coverage. For example, if you have $150,000 in dwelling coverage, 10% would limit you to $15,000 of loss of use for an entire year. Another variable is to keep in mind how long repairs may take. If your repairs last more than 3 months, you might not want to rent rooms at the Ritz or have your meals at expensive restaurants, so plan accordingly. If you're renting to tenants, loss of use can be used to replace lost rent. Double check your policy or contact your agent if you're unsure. If your home suffers a loss that makes it uninhabitable, rest assured that the loss of use coverage on your home policy can help you when you need it most. For more information, please contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Cronin Insurance, the wise choice.